Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the fault so you don't fix the wrong thing. Plug the earbuds into a second device and set both sources to 75% volume. If the issue persists, it's the earbuds. Once done, examine the jack, the cable near strain points, and the inline control closely for dirt, corrosion, or a split sheath. Make sure to wiggle the plug and remote while music plays so you can hear where volume drops or channels change. Next, you clean and test the electrical contacts to restore proper signal. Carefully dip a swab in 90% isopropyl alcohol and clean the plug and any exposed contacts. Let them dry fully. While music plays, gently flex the cable along its length to locate intermittent faults. If the inline volume control seems to cause the drop, open its housing with a small screwdriver, then inspect for loose, corroded, or cracked. Finally, you repair or replace the failing component so the earbuds work reliably. If you found a cold or cracked solder joint, reflow it with a fine-tip soldering iron and add a small dab of solder. Replace the inline potentiometer only with one matching the original value. Once repaired, reinforce the area with heat shrink tubing and add strain relief to prevent repeat failure. If repairs don't restore stable volume, make sure to test with a known good replacement cable or remote, and then replace the earbuds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.